Welcome to Creative Corner. Today we're diving into the world of resin art to create stunning earrings featuring delicate roses. Let's get started. The materials needed for the project: golden wire, rose paper stickers, Fevicol, OHP sheet, resin, glitter, earring hooks, and pliers. Using golden wire, shape them into perfect circles. These will form the base of our resin earrings. Next, we'll secure the wire circles onto the OHP sheet using Fevicol. Allow them to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 3. Adding rose paper stickers. Carefully cut out roses from the sticker sheet and place them to the wire circles. This adds a beautiful floral element to our earrings. Step 4. Adding resin, ensuring the roses are encapsulated in resin. Mix resin with glitter and apply it to the wire circles. The glitter adds a touch of sparkle to our earrings. Allow the resin to dry completely. For a glossy finish, apply a second layer of clear resin to the earrings. This will also help protect the roses and glitter. Finally, attach earring hooks to the resin earrings using pliers. Ensure they are secure before wearing. And there you have it, stunning resin earrings featuring beautiful roses. Thank you for joining me in this creative journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more artistic inspiration.